Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start now by rebooting the phone. Hold power for 10 seconds and let it restart. This removes transient faults. While it boots, clean the fingerprint pad with a microfiber cloth dampened with 70% isopropyl. Oils block the sensor. Next, open Settings and go straight to Fingerprint Options to confirm enrolled prints. Make sure firmware and MIUI are up to date, and you have at least 500 MB free, because updates and cache rebuilds need space. Once your phone is clean and updated, delete all fingerprints and re-enroll. You must scan from multiple angles and pressures so the sensor maps more surface area. That's how recognition improves. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app blocks the sensor. Also, run the built-in diagnostics or device care tests to confirm the sensor reports touch events. This distinguishes software failures from hardware faults. If software steps fail, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This clears corrupt firmware or settings that block the sensor. After the reset, re-enroll fingerprints again and test. Inspect the phone for physical damage, warped frame, screen separation, or moisture indicators near the sensor. These indicate hardware issues. If hardware is at fault, make sure you use an authorized service or official replacement parts so the sensor and calibration stay correct. If needed, tell the technician which tests you ran.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.